Hi guys, back after Christmas now, and I've got a lovely villa to show you. And it's quite a large one. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 bath, and it's on 800 square metre plot. So here it is. This is what we're looking at today. We are on D sector, and it's right on a hill. So let me take you over. We'll have a look around. You got double gates for a driveway here. You got plenty of areas all around. And there's the steps leading up to the D. And over there there's an archway out to the pool area. Got a beautiful fountain there. Lovely water feature. Birds of paradise plants. So let's go in and check it out. Now I've just come into the D section. You have a light up there. Those windows, I think they can be removed. They're not fixed into the archway. You can see for miles. You can see the mountains in the distance. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll have a look around. So immediately just behind the door here, you have overhead storage and double wardrobes for your wellies or your coat or whatever. So in here you've got aircon and you have a log burner fire. You've got large chandeliers there. I'm going to take you in through the archway. Through this archway here. So you have your main bedroom. You've got electric fire there. So you don't have any central heating in this house. But you have your log burner. You have got a ceiling fan and light there. And you've got wreckers on the windows. You got your archway through there. Leads onto your ensuite. You've also got your wardrobes there. Single wardrobe and double wardrobe. Large bathroom ensuite with shower and bath. Your WC and your bidet. And your sink and drainer behind there. Behind the door. Okay, so I'll take you out and we'll go around. So as I said, this is a large 4 bedroomed. You have your shower in here, which is your normal for your Neptuno Deluxe. You got your WC and your sink and pedestal. And your shower just over there with your frosted glass window. And just in here, you have a double bedroom. You can't fit a double bed in here, but you've got 2 single beds in here. And your wardrobe. I think that's a wardrobe. I'm just going to check because sometimes there's a boiler in here. Yeah, they've been using it as a wardrobe. So pan around, give you a feel for the room. So I'm going to take you in and around now. So this is your living room. We're back out into the living room. And usually there's an archway there, but they've enclosed it. And you've got patio doors there into your dining area. And your dining area is off your kitchen there. You've got a large kitchen, top and base units, integrated hob and oven and extractor hood. You've got your dishwasher and your washing machine. And just outside the door here, there's a nice little area where you can just dine, conservatory. And this leads on to a terrace which overlooks the pool. So really nice area there. But I'm going back inside because we haven't been upstairs yet. So I'm going back through the kitchen. So upstairs you have an internal staircase, and I'll see you at the top of the stairs. So at the top of the stairs here you got your ceiling light and fan, your double wardrobes and overhead storage, your large double bed. And just come back around to give you a feel for this room. You have electric heater on the wall over there. And through there is your ensuite. It's quite a large ensuite. It's got bath and shower and a separate shower as well. Your WC, your bidet and his and her sinks there. And a large boiler. And you have an overhead heater there as well. So I'm going to take you out onto the rooftop solarium now. So you've got a large rooftop solarium with some stunning views. So let me take you down and round. You have got storage underneath there as well. And this is a lovely marble staircase, as you can see. So I'll see you guys at the bottom. Now I've come back downstairs, guys. We've landed in the living room. I'm going through this dining area here and through the kitchen. I'm going to take you outside. Apparently there's an underbuilt in this property which houses another bedroom and a bathroom, so that's your fourth bedroom and a bathroom. So this is a lovely area here for you to just relax. Look at the views, and that looks over your pool here. Really lovely. So you have a gate there to stop any kids from going down into the pool area. So I've just come down from the steps from the terrace above. I was up there a minute ago, now I'm down here. And we're just going to have a look in here. So when these are opened up, they look directly onto the pool area. It's quite a big area here. So it's like another apartment. So in here is the shower room. Got your shower there, your sink and your WC, and you got steps into, let's see where. Oh, it's just into the underbill there. Okay. So more storage really. So I take it the other end of this room here, this is where the bedroom is. Oh, there's more storage. This place just goes on and on, doesn't it? See if there's a light here somewhere. No, that is quite a big area there, guys, but I just can't find the light. So this is another area for storage, and you got the bike and could be a games room. And just in here is the fourth bedroom. So it's just an overflow room, right? If you have someone staying. Got your little TV, got your drawers there. Okay. And you got a proper front door on here as well. So let's go over here to the side of the garden here. There's some tiles that need doing. Needs a little TLC. All the way up you can see some tiles and that. And this is a covered area. That I suppose you could have food without the flies getting to you. Okay. The steps up there, and we go up there and have a look now. Now this is the other end of the pool, and you've got a seating area there. That gives you an idea of how big this garden is. So we're at these steps here now, and we're going to have a look up here. Now I've just come up them steps from the pool area there, and there is another gate here, so you could stop children or if you have animals coming through. You have another area here for just sitting and lounging, and you've got your off-road parking there. You got your gas boiler there as well, and you've got raised planting area. And then we're back at the front of the property again. So guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom. It's on 800 square meter plot size. It's got a large pool, 10 by 5 I believe. So if you want to come and view it, do contact the agent, not me, the agent, tolet2sell2buy.com. I will leave all the contact details below in the description box where you can contact the agent, okay? So hopefully you subscribe to my channel, and every time you subscribe when I upload, you will get an alert that I've put up a new video. So I hope you have a great new year, and I see you guys soon. Take care.
Beautiful.